Investigations do take time. And so even though they haven't, put one case before the court within 3 months, this is white-collar crime. It's in-depth. It is a lot of paperwork. There's a lot of tracing of assets, etc. So I do support why the Attorney General hasn't filed yet in terms of if you're going to really make sure that these convictions happen, you really have to have an airtight case. But
what is the basis of a press conference if you're not ready to prosecute people? If you're not ready to prosecute them, you did 3 press conferences.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right to Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusa say, from the time approve Attorney General the learned Dominic Ayine also MP no till today. Onya fa asemba kumpo eko court here. Onya court here. Not even on just one issue, one case. Now allegations be brave SFAC. And these are allegations that we have not been able to independently investigate. But these are the rumors on the ground. And we know that there is an iota of truth in every rumor that you hear. We are being told, reliably say, the reason for which Attorney General no enyam fa assembly court ni say, or see, judges are more court necessary, so the assembly kwa obe lose. And you say, some what we can call a purging. Purging, they say, they will sack some of the judges, transfer some, remove some from here, fix some at other places. But the question is that if we say a case, na case where one a watertight case, obiantimi ponchi who obia woman, why will you be scared? Say the court will lose it. Any no. Why will you be scared? You came to organize press conference, about 3 different press conferences. What bobon affording? We see a boahin, and now we are 7 million Ghana dollars be. While transfer to account be mu, and I say up to a ne. When to me a charge guy no, what say ni dinkwa? What chini go to sell mu? What chiban not go to sell mu 3 weeks? Till today, no charges whatsoever from the Attorney General, the AG. Incompetency at the highest level. So incompetent. These are the people Ghanaians voted for. These are the people we are paying with our taxpayers' money. These are the people representing people in parliament as MPs. Shocking, isn't it?
And did media and public trials. Today, Edu Boahin has not been charged. But everyone in this country has heard from the Attorney General that he has bought 27 houses with stolen cash. And you have still not tried him. And you are telling me that he should wait until why didn't he wait until he put him before the court? Then the media will go and even look at the charges. That is my point of saying that the Attorney General, is it the case that he is waiting until an NDC judge, CJ, is appointed so that he can get him judges who are affiliated to the NDC to persecute our people?
We see, just say ye Chief Justice answer. Now we go court. Just say ye judge way. Just say ye way. Now me ati say sana list bienga sa won ho. List of judges for one person muyi. So muye den yo eti mi ho. Why we still work case? Court ne ko prove case no so a to boy. Research no ni. Research fun bi to say we.
So since Kwabena Edu-Boahin was left to come home, we have been dealing with the matter. We have spoken to his lawyers in extenso, and we are getting to the bizarre conclusion that 1 + 1 is not 2. It's not always 2. Bizarre conclusion. That 3 + 3 is not 6. That 2 + 2 is not what? It's not 4. Do you know what happened? My friend Raymond Archer here, Raymond, you see his white beard, you know. His boss is this man here, Abdullahi Dapila, the Yoko boss. The Yoko boss is thinking, or we have been told that he's thinking, do we believe it? I don't know yet. That Raymond Archer here is marauding all over the place and doing his own things and setting his own agenda. And he's running on his own account. And he's able to convince President Mahama and Dominic Ayine that there was something wrong about what Kwabena Edugboahin's accounts or something like that. Viewers, as we speak, after keeping Kwabena Edugboahin and his dear wife in cells 3 weeks, the learned Attorney General, who held a maximum press conference and explained that he has already finished with Edugboahin and that Edugboahin there is in jail. 3 weeks after that, in the Republic and the Constitution, Edugboahin is yet to be charged. To today, what's the time? 9:44. Today is 22nd April. Kwabena Edugboahin is yet to be charged. Do you know why? Because they are beginning to find out that they may have been misled by the whims and caprices of Lord Archer. Why? Because the matters that were raised against Kwabena Edugboahin by Raymond Archer, which got everybody here excited, it's a very simple matter to have been investigated. Raymond Archer is not a member of national security, has never been. Okay, he's a very good journalist. Never been a member of national security. He says that he has found that Kwabena Edugboahin has an account, National Bureau account, and he has opened another account for his wife to buy things for national security. This is Raymond Archer's claim, which was repeated by Dominic Ayine, the learned Attorney General. Now, check this out, viewers. The matter that they are talking about, who should be the complainant? It should be the National Security Coordinator. He it is who can find the person who has replaced Kwabena Edugboahin at the National Signals Bureau and say, come, what is this account issue? If they find that there's a problem, they go to the National Security Coordinator. Between the National Signals Bureau and whoever is investigating, it goes to the National Security Coordinator. He will conduct an internal investigation and make a conclusion that yes, Kwabena Edugboahin moved $7 million United States dollars from a bank into his personal account and nobody saw it. Kandapa, his boss didn't see it. President Akufo-Addo, Bank of Ghana, they didn't see it. Or the suggestion is that they were all part of it, so they all took their money and chopped. Okay. So Raymond Archer managed to convince all these people. This man was suspicious. His boss was quite suspicious, but he was not part of the process. We are gathering all the information. They will wonder where we got it from. Don't worry. We are all Ghanaians. I told you that those of us who come from the south, Adudome, Sogakope, Jelukope, we are brothers. So I get the information. Now, he is worried that he wasn't part of the process because the process was handled lock, stock, and barrel by Raymond Archer, the deputy Yoko boss. He handled the process lock, stock, and barrel. He did. And he sent the information to Dominic Ayine, who swallowed it hook, line, and sinker. Dominic Ayine then convinced President John Dramani Mahama, who is too busy. Of course, a new president is busy. He's handling 60 ministers, international community, Sahel problems. He's busy. So the president probably didn't look at it. He trusts the Attorney General. But the Attorney General is now finding out. You see, when you are eating fish bone and the thing chokes you, but the food is nice, but the thing has choked you. So, but the food is nice. So you still want to eat more food, something like that. The Attorney General swallows hook, line, and sinker everything that Raymond Archer did by so moto, as they say in law. So moto. He went around so moto that he has found something spectacular. And 3 weeks now, the Attorney General, now the matter has shifted from law. Raymond Archer is not a lawyer. The matter has shifted from gossip to law. You have to charge the person. In law, there are two words that I'd like you to go and search and tell me. A priori is Latin, and a posteriori is also Latin. Go and check. Raymond Archer was operating on a priori. The matter has now come before the Attorney General. He has swallowed the evidence, hook, line, and sinker, the so-called evidence. Attorney General must now prosecute. 4 weeks. No charge. Because the charges are predictable. They are in the Criminal Offences Act, okay? They are already there. Act 29. 30 is the procedure. Now, he's going to look at it and say, should I pick stealing? So there's no charge called Kwabena Edubuahin has offended. No. You have to charge him defrauding by false pretenses, stealing, causing financial loss to the state. In each of these cases, there are ingredients of the offense, and you must demonstrate the ingredients of the offense. So the matter has now shifted from gossip, press conference, charade, and brouhaha. All that is fine. That is for us journalists. We jump about Yachino. No, that is not where we are now. The matter is before the Attorney General. It has to go to court. 4 weeks, Attorney General hasn't charged. So I'm suggesting to you viewers, at the beginning of our inquiry on this matter, we're going to come with a lot. At the beginning of our inquiry on this matter, first things we are finding is that Lord Archer may have misled everyone on this Kwabena Edubuahin. He may have misled everyone. Was it a personal vendetta? Did he have something personal to prove? What was it about? Seubompaya ya kai Ghana Chrewu nyankopon Fagana shenisa.
This is what we voted against NPP for. Shame unto us. Hey, mobo pa. You want a mobo. You to ye color TV for a black and white TV. Now the worst case, worst issue no so say. You do fear no black and white TV no so and so. That's where we are. This is where we've reached. Ghana at crossroads. This has been the political round with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, bye bye. Next time, see you in the next one.